Okay, this video is going to be on removing the yellow hazing off of a headlight. You can see how much hazing is on here. There's a lot of videos online showing different ways to remove this stuff. So I'm going to try all of them and figure out which one works and what doesn't. What I'm going to be using is toothpaste, which is an abrasive. I'm going to be using polishing compound, which is an abrasive. I'm going to be using baking soda and salt, which is an abrasive. I'm going to be using WD-40, which is an abrasive. And I'm going to be using sandpaper. So I'm going to try all of these and we'll find out which one works and what doesn't. Alright, I'm going to be doing this for about a minute in each area. This is going to be the toothpaste in the upper left-hand corner. You don't need to watch me do this, but I'm going to be doing this for about 2 minutes. And then I will add the WD-40 below that. And so I will continue in a minute. Alright, all you're going to see right now is me putting on toothpaste. I'm going to be doing toothpaste for 2 minutes in the upper left-hand corner. And then I will be doing WD-40 below that. Alright, in the bottom left-hand corner now I'm doing some WD-40 on the lamp. I don't know, both of these might be working, I can't really tell yet, but we'll find out in a minute. So far the toothpaste is up on the top over here, and then the WD-40 is down on the bottom. So, next I'm going to be doing... What am I going to do? I'm going to do baking soda right next to the toothpaste, and we'll see what that does. Okay, the next one is going to be baking soda. I've got some baking soda here, so I'm going to, not going to be able to film this because the baking soda is going to go all over the place. But I'm going to put that right next to the toothpaste, and we'll see what happens. Alright, now I'm going to be putting this polishing compound on the right side. I don't know if I'm going to be doing the sandpaper. I'm not sure if I want to even mess with that yet. Let's see what the results are going to be in a minute. Let me go put some of this compound on. Okay, I'm going to have to cut it now. Now, okay, start the add it up again. Now, polishing compound is going to go on the right side. Strictly the whole right side of the glass. So we've got toothpaste over here, baking soda over there, and then polishing compound over here, and WD-40 down on the bottom. Alright, I'm going to wash this thing down with WD-40 to clean off all the chemicals and junk I put on here, and then we will see what the results are of this test. Alright, here is the result. This is WD-40, did absolutely nothing. This is toothpaste, did an incredible job. I only spent about 45 seconds on there, and I can already see through the glass. This area over here is the baking soda. Also did a really good job. I only spent about 45 seconds on that also. And right over here we have the polishing compound. And polishing compound, I don't know how good of a job it did. What I would do is I would try the toothpaste and I would try the polishing compound, and I would try baking soda with salt and water and see if those work. I am not going to do the sandpaper because I don't think I need to be that aggressive on this plastic. I think if I spent about 5 minutes using the toothpaste or the polishing compound or the baking soda, they would fix these headlights up perfectly. I mean, you can see right now, look at the difference. Hopefully you can see the difference. It's all cloudy, and I'm putting my fingers on it. I can feel how rough it is. And then I go over here, and the plastic is really smooth, and that damage is gone. So by not using the sandpaper, I won't remove the UV coating, hopefully, and I will accomplish the cleaning job. Hopefully this video helped. Okay, let me show you the original. This is the right side. You can see how fogged up this whole thing is. And you can't even see the light. You can barely see the light over here. And now I'm going to go to the other side, which I just did. Alright, you can see you can pretty much see the clear plastic now. This was done with baking soda and salt only. Baking soda and salt and water. And it took about 2 minutes, and it's really nice. This area, this half was done with toothpaste, and I can almost see the glass. I spent about 2 minutes on that, and then I went over to this side, and this was done with baking soda and salt, and it's smooth and it's clean. And so those would be my two choices, either baking soda with salt and water or toothpaste with water. I think the baking soda and salt did a better job, but and it was easier, and it's very inexpensive. I'm not even going to try the sandpaper. I don't want to damage the plastic. As far as the WD-40, it definitely did not do a thing, and I'm not going to use the sandpaper and the polishing compound. It did absolutely nothing. So, hopefully this helped you. I don't know if it's worth spending whatever that money is to buy that Plastex crap, because this baking soda and the toothpaste seem to have done a really nice job, and they cost me next to nothing to use.